Hi, welcome to your employee guide on how to use the updates. With the updates, you can stay on top of relevant matters and view them directly on your feed as soon as you log in daily. To access your updates, simply log in. When an update is published, it is displayed on your feed for quick access. If your admin enables it, you can engage with it by reacting and adding comments that are visible to all other employees who also received the announcement. Since updates can be about many different things, your admin may have created different feed topics to categorize them. Access each of them to view the different updates available. Additionally, some updates pop up when you open your app. They could have a confirmation button at the end to let your admin know you've read and understood the information displayed. This is especially used when important and urgent announcements are made that cannot be missed. You can either confirm you've read it or choose to be reminded later. Thank you for watching!